Former President Trump is accused of trying to undermine the foundation of our democracy, a fair and free presidential election. It's all spelled out in 45 pages in a grand jury indictment delivered in Washington that charges Trump with 4 felonies. The indictment says Trump and 6 unnamed co-conspirators schemed to keep Trump in power after he lost the 2020 election. The alleged conspiracy includes pressuring state officials to change vote totals in his favor, trying to submit false slates of electors to Congress, urging Vice President Mike Pence to reject the valid electors, and encouraging a mob to delay Congress from certifying Joe Biden as the winner.
The attack on our nation's capital on January 6, 2021, was an unprecedented assault on the seat of American democracy. As described in the indictment, it was fueled by lies. Lies by the defendant targeted at obstructing a bedrock function of the U.S. government, the nation's process of collecting, counting, and certifying the results of the presidential election.
The indictment accuses Trump and his co-conspirators of spreading, quote, prolific lies about election fraud, even though many of Trump's top advisors and officials in his government told him he lost fairly. Trump was charged with 3 conspiracies to defraud the U.S., obstruct a government proceeding, and to deprive people of their rights. The former president is denying any wrongdoing and attacking special counsel Jack Smith. In a statement, his campaign compared the investigation to something out of Nazi Germany. Congressman Adam Schiff of California, a Democrat who served on the special House committee that investigated January 6th and was the lead House manager in Trump's first impeachment trial, said Smith has brought solid cases.
Once again, the special counsel has charged, I think, very conservatively. He could have added incitement of insurrection or other offenses, but I think he chose those that would be easiest for him to prove. They go right to the heart of the effort to interfere with a peaceful transfer of power, the most serious crime against our democracy in our history.
In a separate case brought by Smith, Trump was indicted in South Florida in June for allegedly mishandling classified documents. And Trump was indicted on New York State charges in March related to a hush money payment to an adult film star. There's also an investigation in Georgia surrounding Trump's actions following the 2020 election, with another possible indictment there. Trump has been summoned to Washington, D.C. to appear in court on Thursday at 4 p.m. In Washington, Cassie Simeon, Spectrum News.